Travel story is about a girl who used to take walks at 2 a.m. until one night she never did again. This is why I will never take walks alone at night. In 2007, I was out on a late night walk when I looked at the end of the road and saw the silhouette of a man moving in a very strange way. It looked like he was doing the words, but he was slowly moving towards me. I immediately felt sketched out, so I crossed the street and started heading the other way. After a couple of minutes, I turned around to see what he was doing. He was right across the street from me, now standing completely still, staring the sky with a huge grin on his face. At this point, I was completely creeped out, so I turned back around and walked about a half block before checking again. And that's when my stomach dropped. He was crouched behind me closer than before. Then suddenly he stood up, turned around, and kind of hobbled away. But then I noticed something. He wasn't walking away anymore. He had turned back around, and this time he was sprinting directly towards me. I ran as fast as I could until I reached a busy, well-lit street. When I finally looked back, he was gone, and I just hope I never see that smiling man again.